Are they telling you Eko Atlantic is a ghost town? They are lying to you. What you see as empty is the biggest installation happening in Africa. Let me break it down for you. This place isn't a normal estate where they are just building houses. It's like installing the motherboard for a new computer. They are putting the main powerful things first. International companies, embassies, headquarters. They are the engine room. The everyday houses will follow later. The smart money isn't inside the main walls right now. It's in the ripple effects in areas like Victoria Island, Ikoyi, and Lekki Phase 1. They are benefiting directly. Please, don't follow the crowd that is afraid. Follow the blueprint of long-term development. Your job now is to watch the infrastructure coming up, not to count how many people have moved. This is the kind of insight we share. If you are ready to find your own advantage, DM me the word plots now. Follow, like, and subscribe for more real estate strategy.